Welcome to this informative guide on how to get life insurance death benefits in the United States. We all want to protect our loved ones and ensure their financial well-being, right? So, have you ever wondered how life insurance death benefits work and how you can ensure your beneficiaries receive the money they deserve? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and uncover everything you need to know. But first, let me ask you this: do you know what a death benefit is and how it works? It's a crucial aspect of life insurance policies, and understanding it can make all the difference for your family's future. What is a death benefit? To begin, let's define the death benefit. Simply put, it's the amount of money that gets paid to your beneficiaries if you pass away while your life insurance policy is active. It's the primary reason for getting life insurance, and people often refer to their policy by its death benefit amount. For example, a $100,000 policy means there's $100,000 worth of death benefit insurance. Beneficiaries. Now, who can receive this death benefit? The answer lies in the concept of beneficiaries. A beneficiary is someone specifically designated in the life insurance policy to receive the death benefit. This could be a person, an organization like a charity or a family trust, or even a business. While many people often name their spouse and children as beneficiaries, you have the flexibility to choose any individual or entity you wish. Spousal consent and underage beneficiaries. Speaking of spouses, if you live in a state with common property laws, you typically need your spouse's consent to name someone else as a beneficiary. Also, keep in mind that underage children usually can't be named as beneficiaries directly. In such cases, setting up a trust to manage the financial payout until they reach adulthood can be a viable option. Changing beneficiaries. Don't worry if you've already designated beneficiaries and find the need to change them later on. You can easily do so. Beneficiaries can be designated as either revocable or irrevocable. With revocable beneficiaries, changing or removing them is relatively straightforward. Dividing the death benefit. Here's something interesting: the death benefit can be divided among multiple beneficiaries in any way you want. It doesn't necessarily mean that each beneficiary will receive an equal share. You have the flexibility to allocate different percentages to different individuals or organizations. Tax benefits. Another benefit of life insurance death benefits is that they are generally exempt from income tax. That's right. In most cases, the payout is income tax-free. However, as with any tax-related matter, it's always a good idea to consult with a tax advisor to ensure you understand the specifics of your situation. Accelerated death benefits. Now, here's an essential aspect to consider: some life insurance policies come with an accelerated death benefit rider. This optional provision allows policyholders with a terminal illness to access a portion of the death benefit while they are still alive. The payout can be used to cover necessary medical care or other expenses. However, keep in mind that using this option will typically reduce the final amount paid to beneficiaries after the policyholder's passing. Possible reduction of death benefit. While life insurance companies generally pay out death benefits in full, there are certain circumstances where the benefit amount may be reduced. If an accelerated death benefit was utilized, the payout could be decreased accordingly. Additionally, if the policyholder provided misleading information during the application process to obtain lower premiums or had outstanding loans against the policy's cash value, the death benefit may also be impacted. How to find out if you're a beneficiary. Now, let's switch gears and discuss how you can find out if you're a beneficiary of someone's life insurance policy. The key is to gather specific identifying information, such as the full name, including any former names, date of birth, social security number, and nationality or passport number if applicable. Remember, it's crucial to have open communication with your family members, especially elderly parents or close relatives. Ask them about their final wishes and whether they've named you as a beneficiary. Knowing this information in advance will help you prepare for the future and ensure you're aware of any potential policies. How to file a death benefit claim. If you believe you're a beneficiary and need to file a death benefit claim, it's essential to take specific steps. First, gather the necessary information, including the name of the insurance company, the policy number, and a copy of the insured's death certificate. The claims process may vary slightly depending on the insurance company, but generally, you'll need to fill out a request for benefits form and submit it along with the required documents. If you're in touch with the insured's insurance agent, they can guide you through the process. Otherwise, a quick search online for the contact information of the insurance company will get you started. Payout options. Now, once the claim has been filed and verified, you'll have several options for receiving the death benefit payout. Let's explore them. Lump sum payment. This is the most popular option, where you receive a large sum of cash to use as you please. Whether it's paying off the mortgage, investing, or taking a much-needed vacation, the choice is entirely yours. Annuity. An annuity provides you with a stream of income payments based on the amount you invest. These payments start on a future date you select. Keep in mind that this option ensures a continuous income flow, but the amount received may not replace the monthly income your spouse would have provided. Installment payments. This option allows you to receive the benefit amount in a series of payments over time. The insurance company holds the money in an account that pays interest, and you receive a monthly check for the amount you choose until the principal runs out. This option gives you more control over your payments compared to an annuity. You can adjust the payment amounts based on your current needs, allowing for flexibility in managing the funds. As you wait for the payout, it's essential to take some time to think about your financial goals and how you want to use the money. Consult with a trusted financial professional if you need guidance on making the most of this valuable gift. Possible reasons for denial. While life insurance companies typically pay out death benefits without issue, there are a few reasons why a claim might be denied. Firstly, if the policyholder failed to make premium payments or let the policy lapse, it could lead to a denial. Additionally, certain causes or manners of death, such as suicide or acts of war, might be excluded from coverage during the contestability period, usually the first 2 to 3 years after the policy's effective date. It's crucial to understand the policy's terms and ensure all payments are made on time to prevent any potential denial of benefits. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to get life insurance death benefits in the United States. Understanding the importance of a death benefit and designating beneficiaries can provide peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. Remember, it's crucial to communicate openly with your family members about their life insurance policies to avoid any confusion in the future. And if you find yourself in the position of being a beneficiary, filing a claim and choosing the right payout option will ensure you can use the funds to achieve your financial goals. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.